Excuse you, sir. A bad bitch is in your presence. Yo, this scarf got me feeling unusual. Freak girl, yeah, that's me. Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have got this look. I did a gold cut crease with some glitter, and it's been a little minute since, you know, I've sat down and, you know, been full face before y'all see it. Y'all see the tutorial. So yay for that. This look was inspired by Leo season because baby, it's Leo season. And if you don't know by now, I am a Leo. My birthday is August 11th and we are barreling down on my birthday. Today is Tuesday. Oh, sorry. Today is Wednesday, the 7th. And also my best friend Taj's birthday. So happy birthday, Leo twin. So I just wanted to do this look. I was just feeling it. Whenever I think of Leos, I always think of gold. That is the typical color for Leos and lions and whatnot. Just gold and yellows, and I just wanted to bring that to this look. I wish it was nice and sunny outside. It's like really overcast because it's rained for 2 weeks straight down here, which I think is ridiculous, mind you. It is August in South Florida. There is no reason for it to rain for 2 weeks straight. And the next time I'm gonna see some actual real sunshine, like all day, next week Thursday. Next week Thursday is the next time I'm gonna see a really nice sunny day. Ridiculous. Yeah, so if you see the light fluctuating in this video, when I started filming my eye makeup, it was really sunny out, and I thought that was gonna be, you know, the weather for the rest of the day. Even though this morning it said that it was going to rain, I just was like, well, when is it gonna rain? Because it's been really nice out today. You know, where's the rain? And then it came. So yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'll see you at the end.
Alright guys, I'm going to be priming my lids with a combo of the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3 and the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease base in the shade White. And then I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Bronze Goals palette with the shade Tan Up. And I'm going to be just laying that down. And then I'm going to be going over that shade with a yellow shade, and that is from the LA Splash Classic Horror palette, and that is the shade Psycho. Psycho actually looks a lot brighter on the lid than it does in the pan, and I was very surprised by that. But I'm just going to be using that to blend out the edges of that brown. So the crease portion of this look is basically me going in with a combo of Tan Up and Psycho interchangeably and just building up these colors. When I want to deepen the crease, which should be right about now, I'm going to be going in with the Bronze Goals palette, and I'm going to combine Tan Up Heat Wave and the shade Burnt together and then run that through my crease. And then I'm going to combine the shades Psycho and Toxic from the LA Splash palette to run that over as my transition shade. And then I'm just going to go in with this big fluffy Makeup Shack brush and blend everybody out. And now I'm going to be cutting the crease with a combo of that P. Louise Rumor 3 and Makeup Revolution cut crease base in the shade White. And I'm going to be using this Colored Rain. I believe this is a cut crease brush specifically. And I'm going to be using that to cut the crease. This brush is amazing. I took a makeup wipe and just wiped off the excess brown off of my lid. And that actually really created a really good guideline for me to follow. But this Colored Rain brush, guys, as soon as you dip the product in it, you just kind of dip the product on both sides, wipe off a little bit, and it becomes so flat. It's like the perfect brush for cutting the crease. Like, I've tried so many different brushes, and there's a few that I like, but this one so far is my favorite.
Ooh, bitch. All right. That's a cut crease, baby. Oh, I already did that.
All right, now I'm going to go over my lid area with the Kathleen Lights X ColourPop loose pigment in the shade The Lion. This, I believe, is from her Zodiac collection, and the lion is for Leo, so I felt like this was the perfect thing to use for this cut crease. So now I'm just adding some NYX glitter glue to my lid because I decided I wanted to go in with a glitter for some extra sparkle. I'm going to be using the Flutter by Row Gold Chunky Glitter. I did have a little bit of trouble getting the glitter to stick, but I think it's because of the brush I used, as well as the NYX glitter glue is sometimes for me like a hit and a miss. Most times it works out really well, but then there are other times where I'm just like, are you even trying to stick or no? All right, lastly, I'm going to be adding some liquid liner. I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, I believe in the shade Black. That is like the only eyeliner I use. And then I'm going to go off camera and finish up the rest of my face, and I'll be back. Yeah, I had to hit y'all with a little bit of slow-mo action. It's been a minute since I've done this, but this is it, guys. Here is the full look. Thank y'all so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.